and welcome to this lesson on design and technology. In our last lesson, we had learned about knockdown fittings, and in this lesson, we're going to talk about wood joints. What are wood joints? Wood joints are particularly useful and interesting since these have been developed to obtain strong joints in wooden artifacts without the addition of fittings and materials. Wood joints can be the key to good workmanship and contribute a lot to the quality of wooden artifacts. The butt joint is the simplest and fastest joint to make. It requires minimum cutting but does not hide end grain and is quite weak. It can be reinforced with the addition of nails, screws, or corner blocks. Butt joints are used mainly in the construction of rough work such as fencing and model making. The miter joint is also a corner joint. The end grain at the corner is hidden. It is a relatively weak joint and can be strengthened with nails, glue, or dowels. A miter box is used to cut the miters on the pieces of wood to be joined. The miter joint can be used for picture frames, window and door frames, and also pattern making. The housing joint consists of a groove in one piece of wood into which the second piece of wood is slotted. It can also be a temporary joint. The housing joint is a strong joint as the materials interlock. It is, however, time-consuming to make with hand tools and can be quite tricky to fit accurately. The housing joint is used to build shelves, partitions, slab and box construction. A dowel joint is similar to a butt joint, but it is reinforced with dowels. Glue is used to strengthen the joint. This is a quick joint to make and is very strong. A jig is needed to drill and fit the parts accurately together. Dowel joints are used to make hidden furniture joints, chair rails, cabinet frames and car cases, factory-made furniture as well. The Mortise and Tenon joint is a very strong and versatile joint. One piece is cut out forming a tenon. It fits into a rectangular slot called a mortise. Glue is used to strengthen the joint. End grain is visible. This is, however, time-consuming to mark, cut out, and to make. The Mortise and Tenon joint is used to make car cases and frames such as windows, doors, chairs, beds, and table frames. The finger joint is made of two pieces that have a set of fingers that interlock. This is a strong joint because it has a larger gluing area. This joint can be used for both natural timbers and manufactured boards. They are used for a wide range of products, including finger-jointed boards, jewelry boxes, cabinet construction, kitchen cupboards, and many others. Now, it is time to test your memory. Can you identify the wood joint used here? In this case, it has been used in building boxes or car cases for wood automata. You were right, it is a butt joint which has been strengthened with dowels. Can you identify the wood joint used on the corners of this toy box? You are correct, it is a finger joint. Can you identify the wood joint used in this jewelry box? Absolutely right, this is a mitre joint. As a further exercise, at home, list 5 different wooden artifacts and find out which are the wood joints they contain. During this video lesson, we have been able to see advantages of wood joints, common types of wood joints, and the common uses of wood joints. This is the end of our lesson on wood joints and the last in the series on joining methods. Remember that you can see all of our lessons on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program. Goodbye.